Have you ever looked up at the night sky and felt a sense of calm, a feeling of stillness? It's a beautiful illusion, because right now, our home, the Milky Way Galaxy, is hurtling through space at an incredible speed. And it's not just wandering aimlessly. It's on a direct collision course with our nearest major galactic neighbor, the Andromeda Galaxy. That's right, we're part of a cosmic dance that's been unfolding for billions of years, and the grand finale is set to be one of the most spectacular events in our corner of the universe. But don't start packing your bags just yet. This colossal meetup is scheduled to happen in about 4 to 5 billion years. So, we've got a little time. Let's break down what this galactic collision really means. When you hear the word collision, you probably imagine a catastrophic crash, like two cars smashing into each other. But on a galactic scale, things are very, very different. Space is, for the lack of a better word, spacious, immensely so. Both the Milky Way and Andromeda are vast collections of stars, gas and dust, but the distance between individual stars is astronomical. To put it in perspective, if our Sun were the size of a ping-pong ball, the nearest star, Proxima Centauri, would be another ping-pong ball about 680 miles away. That's like one ball in New York City and the other in Chicago. So, when these two galaxies finally meet, the chances of individual stars actually hitting each other are incredibly slim. It's almost zero. Our solar system is highly unlikely to be directly impacted by another star. So, if the stars aren't crashing into each other, what exactly happens during a galactic merger? The real drama is all about gravity. As the Milky Way and Andromeda draw closer, their immense gravitational fields will begin to interact, pulling and tugging on each other. Imagine two clouds of smoke slowly swirling together. That's a much better analogy. The galaxies will stretch, twist, and warp. Long, beautiful streams of stars and gas, known as tidal tails, will be flung out into intergalactic space. It will be a slow, graceful, yet monumentally powerful process. The two supermassive black holes at the center of each galaxy, Sagittarius A** in our Milky Way and its counterpart in Andromeda, will eventually spiral toward each other. Over millions of years, they will dance a gravitational tango before finally merging to form an even larger supermassive black hole at the heart of the new combined galaxy. This new galaxy, which some astronomers have nicknamed Milky Way, will look completely different from the two spiral galaxies that created it. The beautiful, distinct spiral arms of both the Milky Way and Andromeda will be scrambled and disrupted. Over time, the gravitational forces will settle the stars into a new, more rounded shape, likely forming a giant elliptical galaxy. For any potential future observers, the night sky will be a sight to behold. During the merger, the sky would be filled with brilliant bursts of new star formation as massive clouds of gas and dust are compressed, triggering a cosmic baby boom. The view would be absolutely breathtaking, with Andromeda looming larger and larger until it fills the entire celestial canvas. This process isn't unique to us. We see it happening all over the universe. Galactic collisions are a fundamental part of how galaxies evolve. They grow and change by consuming smaller galaxies and merging with rivals of similar size. It's the cosmic circle of life. The Hubble Space Telescope has captured stunning images of galaxies in various stages of collision and merger, giving us a preview of our own distant future. So, while our home galaxy seems eternal and unchanging from our perspective, it's actually a dynamic, evolving structure on a journey through the cosmos. This future collision is a powerful reminder that the universe is not a static backdrop, but a vibrant, active stage where epic events unfold over billions of years. It shows us that even the largest structures are not permanent. They live, they interact, and they transform. Understanding these grand cosmic events helps us piece together the story of our universe and our own place within it. It's a story of creation, collision, and rebirth on the grandest scale imaginable. If you love exploring the mind-bending wonders of our universe, make sure you subscribe to The Cosmic Drive. We're always on a mission to fuel your mind beyond its limits. Thanks for watching, and keep looking up.